Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to never miss a video from us. Here are 10 MCQs with answers and explanations on GCP monitoring dashboards and alerts. Question 1. What is the main purpose of a cloud monitoring dashboard in Google Cloud? Correct answer is to visualize and track key metrics and performance indicators, as dashboards help visualize application and infrastructure metrics for observability. Question 2. Which feature allows dashboards to display data relevant to specific services or instances? Correct answer is filtering, as filtering refines the dashboard view to show only selected metrics or resources. Question 3. What is an SLO in the context of alerting policies? Correct answer is service level objective, as an SLO defines the acceptable performance target of a service, used in alerting policies. Question 4. Which metric would typically be used to define an SLI, service level indicator? Correct answer is uptime percentage or error rate, as SLIs are metrics like latency or availability that indicate service performance. Question 5. What can be shared among team members to support operational playbooks in Google Cloud? Correct answer is monitoring dashboards, as dashboards can be shared with teams and linked to playbooks for incident response. Question 6. How can alert policies help with cost control? Correct answer is by alerting on billing metrics like project spend or quota usage, as alert policies can monitor and notify teams about cost-related metrics and limits. Question 7. What happens when an alerting policy is triggered in Google Cloud Monitoring? Correct answer is a notification is sent via configured channels, as alerts notify teams through email, SMS, or third-party tools when conditions are met. Question 8. Which tool allows ad hoc viewing of metrics on a dashboard? Correct answer is Metrics Explorer, as Metrics Explorer helps you analyze and view time series metric data without saving a dashboard. Question 9. Which of the following is a commonly used third-party alerting integration? Correct answer is PagerDuty or Slack, as alerting policies can be integrated with tools like PagerDuty, Slack, or webhook endpoints. Question 10. What's a best practice when designing alerting policies? Correct answer is use SLOs to define meaningful alerts, as SLO-based alerts ensure that alerts are tied to service reliability goals, reducing false positives. For full-length practice exams, check the link in the description. Like the video, subscribe, and comment if you like the video.